Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little pour in some really nice, bright and vibrant colours with a different composition. So you will see as it develops, and I'm going to jump in where I feel I need to, but this will be the kind of where I'm going to have my nice bright, vibrant, that is called Brilliant Red. And it's by Montmartre, and it was a really nice, brilliant red.
Now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had, it's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
Yeah, it kind of looks a little bit crazy at the minute, but bear with me. That was the gold I'd put flicked, champagne gold I'd flicked on the white, because I didn't want just a plain white. But always bear with me when I'm doing these chaos blowouts, because they never end up looking how you see them there. I always embellish them to really bring out some more beauty in them. But loving those colours, which was the Berry Delicious and the Fluoro Pink and more gold. So just love those with the red. It really did sort of start to form a life of its own. The more I sort of worked with it, just looking back at it and really trying to bring out the best in the whole effect of the picture.
With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal, till I find my way. How will I call?
Yeah, just blowing those little bits of champagne gold out. Like I said, I just didn't want a very plain white in there. So I'm going to now use a little, it's tool time. I'm going to try this Catalyst Wedge, but I always find this probably not the best, because it's not as flexible as that other little one I've got there is like a silicone one, and it's bendy, and I think I got it like free in a paint set, and it's that particular little catalyst wedge is from plaid, but yeah, it's because it's sort of bendy, you can do those wonderful effects, look like really ribbon effects. So absolutely love creating with this catalyst wedge as well, adding more detail to your artwork. So if you haven't got yourself a little catalyst wedge, please try and find one. They're pretty cheap. I think even Montmartre sell the catalyst wedges very cheap for a set, but I haven't seen one of those little silicone ones. I must have a look on my Amazon if they're in there, but if anybody knows of any, just let me know, because I'd like to get another one of the silicone bendy ones. Yes, now for my balloon work, and I do believe the balloon work brings everything up for me. You don't have to use the balloon, you can just do your chaos blow and your catalyst wedge thingy-majig and work with that, but I always believe my balloon work brings it up next level. So I'm really happy with how this is progressing, and it really did dry beautifully. I think I've got a little video that I'll add to the end of the actual dried piece. Just went over it with a varnish, not resin. But yeah, love this piece. It's got such a lot that pops up that you can see in it. You know, it's like a whole story of its own. So I really hope that you're enjoying this, and if you do your acrylic fluid art, I hope you give this one a go, because it was really nice and vibrant and I absolutely love it. Well, here she is in all her glory. The white did seem a little bit on the thick side, but I'm pretty confident that it will absorb into the canvas and be gorgeous when it's finished. I just love those colours together. I love the effect. I do love the catalyst wedge going through the paint and those little red whatever balloon kiss things in there. I just love it. I think it's very nice. So let the drying gods be with me, and I will post photos at the end. So pretty happy with that one. Let me know what you guys think of using the several different techniques. There was the Dutch pour in there, or the chaos blow as I call it, because mine's always chaos, never nice and Dutch poury. And then there's the catalyst wedge, and there's balloon kisses. So I think it's all going on. It is busy, yes, but I think it's gorgeous. Hope you do too. Please take care and be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.
Can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fire.